Pinterest helped me to earn $14,291 with affiliate marketing just in 27 days from the first day of December until the day 27. The best part, it doesn't require a website or even a big following. Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal how you can start making money with Pinterest today. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. Anyway, for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to go to Google and search for this website, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. So you just need to click here on join now and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you will do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. You can choose your country from here and you can choose your language, okay? If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. What you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote on Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to go to Pinterest. You need to create a business account on Pinterest first. Okay, so if you don't have, let me show you. Just go to Google and search for Pinterest. Okay, like this. It's super easy. Click on the first link. They will ask you, do you want to create business account or personal account? Choose business account. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, you guys can see. And Pinterest has really a lot of traffic. Okay, Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You can get so much traffic also from Pinterest for free. Okay, and what you will do next after you finish your sign up process to Pinterest and you set up your business account, what you will do, you will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest trend. Search for this website and click on the first link like this. And what we will do is we will use this website to see what's trending on Pinterest so we can promote those services related to what's trending. Okay, so we can make commissions. You cannot promote any service that you think it's gonna work or that you think it's gonna or that you like. This business doesn't work like this. You need to promote, you need to do research and to find good products or services that you will promote that are trending. Okay, go to Pinterest trend, scroll down, you have here region. You guys can choose United States, Canada. If you want to see what's trending in Canada, you have Canada, you have United States, Italy, Spain. I'm gonna just use choose United States. I will scroll down. You guys can see top trends in United States this month. This is what's trending in United States this month on Pinterest. We have Christmas nails, those products. We have Christmas wallpaper, nails. If we click here, we can find more. We can find more trending topics and product that you guys can see. Winter nails. We have cool sunglasses. So let me see if we can find a good one here. We have fashion. You guys can see this one. Let me see. We have shoes. We have Thanksgiving outfit. You can scroll down here. You can click here and see what's trending. Okay, wallpaper, background, gift, tattoo, green. Okay, I will go back. I think I'm gonna choose this one about fashion. Let's check this one, guys. About fashion, I will scroll down and I will click here and I will choose past 3 months. You guys can see that this topic about fashion was trending. Now it's going down, but it can go again up like this. Okay, you guys can see it's go down and it's go up, so it can go up again. Okay, so I will scroll down and I will see here related trends. Okay, we can find more trends here. Non-fashion outfit. If you scroll even more, you have those trending popular pins on Pinterest about fashion. You guys can see. So this topic, for example, like this topic, it's still trending. Okay, it's going a little down, but it's still trending. Okay, and it can go up. So since we will use free traffic, we will not invest any money in paid ads. We will choose this topic, for example. Okay, I will copy this one, fashion. And what I will do, I will go back to Fiverr. Okay, go back to Fiverr, click here on the search and search for fashion. Okay, like this. Search for services about this topic that is trending in United States this month, fashion. Scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who provide this service on Fiverr. What you will do next is you need to choose good sellers. Okay, how we can choose good sellers? Choose like sellers who has levels, like this one, level 2, like this one, pro sellers. They are really good. Those sellers are good, and if you promote pro sellers, the commission also is high. Okay, it's not like those level 1 or level 2 pro sellers. You can make commissions, good commissions from those pro sellers. Okay, you have top rated sellers and you have Fiverr choice. Okay, so for example, I will edit fashion, films, music, videos, cinematic. So this one is about fashion, and they have also this one here. I'm gonna use this one. You guys can see this one. I will create teach pack and teaching flat for fashion clothing. This one, I will choose this one. Okay, just click on the service that you, okay, let me show you. Just click on the service that you want to use. Okay, I will delete this and you will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see the seller has 9 orders in queue. This is the proof that this service is working. Okay, look how many reviews. People keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing good service for his customers. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. Go back to your Pinterest homepage, this one, okay, and click on home feed. Click on create pin. And here you go. Click over here and upload. So what you will do next, you need to upload a picture about this service that you want to promote. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page. This seller has a video. Let's check.
Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to my Fiverr account. I have over 15 years experience.
So this seller is explaining his service about fashion on Fiverr in this video, which is really good. You guys can see 15 years experience. That's a really good seller. I will click on save video, double click on the video, click on save video, and here you go. Click on save and this video will be saved to your laptop. Go back to Pinterest and just click here and upload this video to Pinterest. Okay, this one about fashion. Click on open and here you go. You need title and you need description. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page. Let me show you, and you will copy this title. Okay, copy this title. So you cannot put this title like this, okay, because Pinterest has different algorithm and different keywords. So to rank your pin, you will use AI to get good optimized SEO titles. So what we will do, so just go and open your account on ChatGPT. It's for free, and click here on message and ask him turn this title into into Pinterest pin title and use good SEO to rank in the first page. Okay, and I will put this title. The power of AI is a really amazing. You can use AI to scale your affiliate marketing business. And check this out. Watch this. You guys can see. And here you go. You got a good title that you can use for your Pinterest pins. So you can rank. And so let's go back to Pinterest. So you can rank your pins and start getting clicks and start growing your Pinterest account. Put your title here, description, go back to ChatGPT and ask him, okay, I'm gonna ask him create a pin description from this title, and that's it. And here you go. He will create good. You guys can see. So ChatGPT give me two response. As you can see, I'm gonna choose which one is good. Let me see. Looking for professional teach pack and teaching flats for your fashion clothing design. This one, right? Looking to bring your fashion design to life. Great. This one. This one is good. I will copy this one and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put my description here. Okay, scroll down. You need to put your affiliate link here. So what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just started this business, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Go back to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. And here you go. Click on choose a board. If you have new accounts, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one and you need to put here tags. Go back to ChatGPT. Give me tags for this pin. Okay, and here you go. ChatGPT will give you tags that you can use. You see? Okay, for free, guys. Copy those. I'm gonna copy this one, fashion design. Copy all those tags. Okay, copy those tags. Go back to Pinterest and put those tags here. Okay, and put all those tags. Okay, make sure to put all those tags here. Matched tags. Pinterest will give you matched tags that also you can use. And after you finish, just click on publish. And here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. People who are asking, can you promote affiliate links directly on Pinterest? Yes, you can. But if you have new account, if you start promoting a lot of affiliate links daily, your account will get suspended. So you need to warm your account. You need to start small. Start promoting just like between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. Maximum is 3 affiliate links per day. You will not put one after one. You will promote one, you will wait about like 2-3 hours and you can promote another one. Okay, people who has old Pinterest account, that's fine. You can promote up to 5 affiliate links per day and that's fine. Also, you can create multiple Pinterest accounts. Of course, you will not use it from the beginning. If you are beginner, start just with one account. Grow your account, start promoting the services, keep doing more research, see what's trending, and start promoting those services. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me. I have a big discount. It's still available. Maybe it's gonna be still available for the next 10 days. Big discount for my Fiverr affiliate course and for my Amazon affiliate course. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me. I'm sharing everything in this course. how you can create content, how you choose good services, good products, how you can choose a good audience, how you can find your niche, and so much more. If you are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.